An automotive power adapter is included. Snap your GPS unit into this automotive mount for easy viewing while you drive. Package weight: 0.49 pounds. Package dimensions: 16.256 L by 6.096 H x 10, 921 W centimeters. Top reviews from the United States. Well built, sturdy, definitely worth it. I am using this product with a GPSmap 62s and I think my comments would apply to any of the GPSmap series. Based on the other comments, this kit works with many of Garmin's products, and some of those comments don't apply to the 62s. Specifically, the comment about the GPS being awkward to mount, dismount does not apply to the 62s. It's a well-designed system and very easy and natural to mount, dismount from the bracket once you understand how the retention feature works, which is intuitively obvious upon inspection. I do agree with the comments about the mount being easy to snap off the ball on the bracket, but that only happened to me during my first time setup when I was orienting the mount on the bracket and twisting and turning quite a bit. Overall, this is a well-built and easy-to-use product. The only trouble I had was the first time I tried to plug the power cable into my new GPSmap 62s, it was a little tight to get in, but after that first time it was fine. It's a very secure connection. As a professional mechanical engineer, I have no regrets about my purchase.